Boom. Boom. Another 30 seconds.
Off the head.
Hi, I'm Noah. Today we're going to be cooking some shrimp tacos with mango salsa. All you're going to need: tortilla, Greek yogurt, sour cream, knife, olive oil, queso, cotija, jalapeno, couple limes, red onion, garlic, red bell pepper, got mango in the back, bushel of cilantro, shrimp, got ancho chili, smoked paprika, cayenne, and garlic powder. And lime zester. Got it. We got it. So first, with the shrimp, we're gonna take, I have a pound of already deveined shrimp. We're just gonna add some olive oil. I don't do measurements. If you want to measure this, about 3-4 tablespoons of olive oil. Then I'm gonna take a lime, a little zester, just like that. We're gonna take the lime, cut it in half. We're gonna juice it. When you juice it, make sure you hold it in your hand so you don't get any seeds in there. Just like that. We're gonna give it a little toss. It up. I think one lime will be good. And then we're gonna take our seasoning powder. And again, I don't like using measurements really, so I'm gonna take this much chili powder, maybe that much. I'm gonna take some of this paprika, a little bit more paprika, it's got a milder flavor. We're gonna make these pretty spicy today, so a good bit of cayenne, throw it right in there. And just a hair of garlic powder, not that much. Give it a nice toss, make sure it's all evenly coated. Boom. Shrimp's ready. We're gonna let that sit for like 15-20 minutes. You can let it sit for an hour. You can put it in the fridge. Alright, we're gonna start making our little sauce for our tacos. 1 jalapeno, just like that. We're gonna keep the seeds in for the sauce, because we ain't no pansies, we ain't no sissies. Now this is when you wanna make sure you rub your eyes after you got the seeds. It feels good. We're gonna throw 2 jalapenos in, 1.5 jalapenos. I like the sound of that. We're gonna take some of our cilantro, just a little bit of it. Again, I don't use measurements, but like, this is roughly about like a half cup of cilantro when you cut it. Just do a rough chop, in we go. Make sure you get your stove all messy. Next, we got some Greek yogurt, just plain Greek yogurt. 1 big spoonful, 2 big spoonfuls. Alright, then we're gonna take sour cream next. You're gonna take 1 big heaping spoonful, just like that. We're gonna take our olive oil, a little bit, about a tablespoon. A good trick, someone once told me, if you got one of these things and you pour it out, like 1 second of pouring equals 1 tablespoon, roughly. We need another lime. We're not gonna use the zest, we don't really need it. Right in there. Oh God. Put the lid on, wherever the lid is. Now we need the food processor. Oh God, not in there. Not in there. Not in there.
Dude, what?
Not in there. Oh God, where? Got it. Nice liquidy texture is what we're looking for. We're just gonna drizzle this over the tacos. Make sure you taste it. Make sure you taste everything. See, it needs a little salt. Put a little salt in. Boom, that's ready to go. We're gonna put it in the fridge. Get out of my way, Joe. And when we're done, it's ready. We're gonna take the mango on the table. You're gonna feel with your hands. You're gonna find that root. You're gonna go right to the side of it. You can see that hard white part, that's the root, that's the nut. You can't cut through that, it's not fun. There we go. You can save this and cut around it. You got a little good flesh in there. Next step, you're gonna lay it down on your board. And without puncturing the skin, you're just gonna make a nice little lattice pattern going both ways, and you got these nice little floret leaflet things. Pretty easy to take out. You need a spoon. You just scoop it out. Perfect little mango cubes. Next, some red onion, flat on the ground. You still got the root, and you're gonna give it a slice this way, work your knife in, slide it out, and another cut up top, why not? And then you're gonna cut across, down like this, boom, boom, boom. Mix it with the mango. I think that's enough right there. I don't think we need any more. No, but I f***ed up on the sauce. We need to put garlic in it. Give it a smash. So with these guys, they're real easy. You just chop the head off, and then you can just slice them in half. They've got a little crunch, a little flavor, but I like the red against the yellow mango. It's perfect. Tomatoes don't really do the trick. Yeah, that looks good to me. Next step on this, some cilantro. We're gonna save some for garnish. Perfect. Last but not least, little Ollie Earl, our old friend the lime. Juice it up in there. See what we're doing, how we're building flavors. You know, everything's got lime, everything's got cilantro. Beautiful mango pico, just like that. And we're gonna let that heat up. And we're just gonna, boom, shrimp on. I got it on a medium heat, just like that. While that's going, we got this pan over here. We're gonna make some taco shells. So this is queso cotija. We're gonna use it for our taco shells. Sprinkle a little bit right on there with the bottom. You just don't want it to burn. The cotija is gonna melt just a little bit, just the perfect amount. Oh, he's back. He's back. Oh. Perfect. Perfect taco shell. Look at that. Let's picture the underneath side. Perfect. We're gonna take our shrimps and we're gonna give them all a nice flippy flip. All right, they're all flipped here, except for this guy. There we go, just soaking in that nice marinade juice. It's cooking. Oh yeah, they're ready. They are ready to go. We're just gonna give them another 30 seconds here on the stove, and then we're gonna turn the heat off. And it's taco time. Let's take this guy, lay it down, nicey nice, nicey nice, nicey nice. You're gonna take 1 spoonful, and then you're gonna take your sauce. Now this is pretty liquidy, so be careful. Cilantro, Noah approved shrimp taco. Bang. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's perfect. Joe, get yourself one.
Alright, that's probably good.